everyone! Welcome to my virtual class. I am Ma'am J and I'm your teacher for today. Happy learning! Ang lesson natin sa araw na ito ay division of fractions. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-divide ng iba't ibang uri ng fractions. So, unahin natin yung dividing fraction by a fraction. So, dito, hindi natin kailangan problemahin kung similar fractions sila or dissimilar fractions. Since, same method lang naman yung ating gagawin. At pakikitaan ko kayo ng dalawang solutions. So, try na natin. So, let's have number 1. So, 1/2 divided by 3/4. So, sa ating first solution, yung ating unang gagawin, itong ating divisor, kukunin natin yung kanyang reciprocal. And then, pag nakuha na natin yung reciprocal niya, magpo-proceed na tayo sa multiplication. So, ganito po. So, 1/2. So, si 3/4, kunin natin yung reciprocal niya, which is 4/3. And then, so instead of dividing, mag-multiply po tayo. So, kung ano ba yung ginagawa natin pag nabumultiply? Diba? Minumultiply natin yung numerator, then minumultiply yung denominator. So, ganun po. So, multiply na natin. So, 1 times 4 is equals to 4. Then, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. And since si 4/6 ay kaya pang i-lowest term, so kunin natin yung kanilang GCF. At ang GCF po ng 4 tsaka 6 ay 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2 and 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So our answer is 2/3. Another methods in dividing fractions. So we have 1/2 divided by 3/4. So, ito yung ating given. Pwede po tayong mag-cross multiply. So, cross multiply tayo. So, 1 times 4 is equals to 4 over 2 times 3 is equals to 6. And the lowest term of 4/6 is equals to 2/3. So, ayan po. So, we have two ways on how to divide fractions. So, the first one, all you have to do is get the reciprocal of the divisor and then proceed to multiplication. Or simply cross multiply. So, cross multiply. So, you have two options on how to divide fractions. So, kung saan po kayo mas madadalian, yun po yung inyong gamitin. So, let's try number 2. So, we have 2/3 divided by 5/8. So, you have two options. You can choose to get the reciprocal of the divisor or you may proceed to cross multiply. So, para sa akin, mas madali po kung magko-cross multiply na lang kayo para diretso answer na siya. Solution. Diretso solution. Then answer. So, 2 times 8 is equals to 16 over 3 times 5 is equals to 15. And since ang ating fraction ay naka-improper fractions, pwede din natin siyang i-change into mixed number. So, ilang 15? Meron sa 16. So, we have 1. And then, may matitira pang isa. So, 1/15. So, our answer, when we divide 2/3 by 5/8 is equals to 16/15 or 1 and 1/15. So, ayan po. Ngayon naman, magdi-divide tayo ng fraction by a whole number. So, let's have number 1. So, 1/3 divided by 2. So, ganun pa din. Diba, pag nag-multiply tayo ng fraction sa whole number, diba, naglalagay tayo ng 1 sa baba ng whole number para maging fraction siya. So, pwede din ganun. So, try nga muna natin. So, si 1/3, i-divide natin sa 2. So, si 2, pwede nating lagyan ng 1 sa baba. And then, pwede na kayo mag-cross multiply or pwede nyo kunin yung reciprocal ni 2, which is 1/2. So, pwede yan. O kaya naman, so mag-cross multiply na lang tayo. So, 1 times 1 is equals to 1. And then 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So 1 over 6 ang sagot. Or, ito yung shortcuts. 1/3 divided by 2. So, pwede naman dyan. So, since whole number itong ating divisor, automatic may 1 dyan, diba? So, si 1, copyhin na lang natin. At si 3, tsaka si 2, i-multiply na lang natin. So, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Ayan. So, meron kayong dalawang solution para sa ating pag nag-divide kayo ng fraction tsaka whole number. Pwede nyo kunin yung reciprocal ni 2 and mag-multiply kayo. Or pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng denominator which is 1 and then mag-cross-multiply. Pwede pong ganyan. Or simply, yung ating fraction, pag dinivide natin sa whole number, yung ating denominator tsaka whole number, yun lang ang ating i-multiply. Tapos yung ating numerator, pwede nyo na lang siyang kopyahin. Ayan. Sige, subukan natin. So, let's have number 2. So, 2/5 divided by 5. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng 1 dito sa ating whole number. And then, kunin nyo yung reciprocal niya. O kaya naman cross-multiply pag may 1 dito. Or simply, itong ating denominator tsaka whole number, i-multiply na lang natin. So, unahin muna natin syempre si numerator. So, 2 over, so 5 times 5 is equals to 25. So, ayan. So, yun po yung shortcut. So, ganyan lang po pag nag-divide ng fraction by whole number. So, meron kang 3 options. Pero para sa akin, mas madali itong method na to. Kung saan, yung ating numerator, kinokopya na lang natin. And then, minumultiply ko na lang yung denominator tsaka yung whole number. Ayan. So, ngayon naman, kung di-divide tayo ng mixed number by a whole number. So, try na natin siya. So, let's have number 1. So, 2 divided by 1 and 3/5. So, pag nag-divide tayo ng whole number tsaka mixed number, etong mixed number, gagawin lang po natin siyang improper fraction. So, gawin natin siyang improper fraction. So, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So, 8 over 5. So, kung napapansin nyo, nag-divide na tayo ng whole number tsaka fractions. So, kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina. So, meron kayong tatlong options para dito, diba? Pero ang gagawin natin is shortcut lang. So, ito lang yung ating i-multiply. Si whole number tsaka si denominator. So, 2 times 5 is equals to 10 over 8. And since ang ating fraction ay naka-improper fraction, so pwede natin siyang gawing mixed number. So, ilang 8 meron sa 10? So, 1. And then, may matitira pang dalawa. So, 2 over 8. And since si 2 over 8 ay pwedeng i-lowest term at may GCF na 2, so, magiging final answer natin ay 1 and 1/4. Ayan. Kasi si 2 tsaka si 8, dinivide natin sa 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, ganun po. Diba ganito yung ginawa natin kanina? Kasi automatic, may 1 na dyan sa denominator. Kaya ito yung minultiply natin, tapos ito yung, so nag-cross multiply lang po ako. So try ulit natin siya. So number 2. So we have 7 divided by 1 and 1/8. So i-change natin sa improper fraction itong ating mixed number. So 7 divided by, so 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 8. So, magko-cross multiply lang tayo. So, automatic may 1 dyan. So, huwag na natin lagyan. So, ito lang siya. So, 7 times 8 is equals to 56. And then, copy the numerator, which is 9. So, we have 56 over 9. Or, we can change it into mixed number. So, ilang 9 meron sa 56. So, 6. At may matitira pang dalawa. So, 6 and 2 over 9. So, ayan. So, pag whole number and mixed number, tatandaan nyo, i-change muna ang ating mixed number into improper fractions. And then, you have 3 options. So, pwede kayong mag-cross multiply, pwede kayong kumuha ng reciprocal, or just simply multiply the denominator and the whole number. Ayan po. Naman, mag-multiply tayo, ay mag-divide tayo ng mixed number by a fraction. So, let's have number 1, 5, and 2/3 divided by 3/4. So, same procedure pa rin kagaya kanina. So, ating mixed number, i-change natin into improper fractions bago natin siya i-divide sa ating fractions. So, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So, we have 17 over 3 divided by 3/4. So, pwede nyo kunin yung reciprocal ng ating divisor, then proceed kayo sa multiplications. But since nagko-cross multiply ako, yun na lang yung ating gagamitin. So, 17 times 4 is equals to, so solve muna natin. 17 times 4 is 28. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, we have 68 over, so 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So, ilang 9? Meron sa 68. So, merong 7. At ilan ang matitira? Merong 5. So, we have 5 over 9. So, the answer is 68 over 9 or 7 and 5 over 9. So, let's have another one. So, 2 and 1/2 divided by 1/4. So, ganun pa rin. I-multiply natin, gawin natin tong improper fraction. So, 2 times 2, 4, plus 1 is 5, divided by 1/4. So, pwede natin kunin yung reciprocal neto. And then, proceed kayo sa multiplication or simply cross-multiply. So, 5 times 4 is equals to 20 over 2 times 1 is equals to 2. So, 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10. Ayan. So, ganun lang po ang pag-divide ng mixed numbers sa fractions. So, change the mixed number into improper fraction and then proceed to division. So, pag nag-divide, pwede kayo mag-cross multiply or you will get the reciprocal of the divisor. Lastly, magdi-divide tayo ng mixed number by a mixed number. So, let's have number 1. So, 2 and 2/3 divided by 6 and 1/5. So, same procedure pa rin. So, i-change lang natin sila into improper fractions bago tayo mag-divide. So, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3 divided by 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31 over 5. So, ganun pa din. So, pwede na natin siyang i-divide using cross-multiply or getting the reciprocal of the divisor. So, i-multiply na lang natin siya. I-cross-multiply na lang natin para mas mabilis. So, 8 times 5 is 40 over 31 times 3 is 93. So, si 40 over 93, wala na siyang lowest term. So, ito na po yung ating sagot. Ayan. So, let's have number 2. We have 3 and 7 over 8 divided by 3 and 1/2. So, pag nag-divide kayo ng dalawang mixed number, change it into improper fraction. So, 3 times 7 is 24 plus 7 is equals to 31. 31 over 8 divided by 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 2. Ayan. So, pwede kayo mag-cross multiply or get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, mag-reciprocal nga tayo para medyo mahaba-haba. So, 31 over 8. So, si 7 over 2, kukunin natin yung reciprocal niya. So, 2 over 7. And then, proceed tayo sa multiplication. Ayan. So, 31 times 2 is 62 over 8 times 7 is equals to 56. So, pwede natin i-lowest term si 62 over 56. Pero, gawin na lang natin siyang mixed number. So, ilang 56 meron sa 62? So, isa. At, meron pang matitirang 6. Ayan. So, si 6/56, pwede nating i-divide siya sa 2. So, may GCF silang 2. So, 1/3 and 28. Ayan. So, sa yun na. Pagka nag-divide tayo ng dalawang mixed number, pwede nyo siyang, ang gagawin nyo lang ay i-change into improper fractions. And then, pwede kayo mag-cross multiply. Or, pag na-change nyo siya na sa improper fraction, pwede kayong mag-proceed sa reciprocal. So, kunin nyo lang yung reciprocal ng ating divisor and proceed to multiplications. Ayan. So, pagka kailangang i-lowest term, i-lowest term. Ayan. So, sana may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito kung paano mag-divide ng iba't ibang uri ng fractions. So, yun lamang po.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.